Anyone who's arrived in life has arrived completely when he starts living the linen life. Because linen is not just for the others to see, but it's for you to experience and feel.
We are a $42 billion company, and more than 50% of our revenue comes from abroad, right from Australia to Canada. That is, the footprint of Birlas all over the globe is so huge that we understand the whole customer needs in various aspects of life.
Linen is synonymous with style. Literally, it's a royal fabric. And pure linen has got fantastic properties in terms of moisture absorption, biodegradable, antibacterial, antifungal. There is no other fabric in the world which can compete on these qualities with linen.
It is Jayashree Textiles of the Aditya Birla Group who brought the linen to India and presented it in a different fashion. We exploded it to the newer colors, newer designs, newer ranges, and educated the whole public about linen.
2006, we started the first linen club, the RAM. And within no time, in a couple of years, 3-4 years, we expanded to 8 stores plus.
My association with Linen Club goes back to 2007. That's how it started, and now I have 2 stores in Lucknow.
I started with one showroom about 9 years back in Kochi. And as on today, I have about 14 showrooms across Kerala and some part of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka.
We started with our first store back in 2013, and within 3 years, now we are with 3 stores running successfully.
Linen means Linen Club. That is already established in the minds of the customers.
I feel there's no competition with Linen Club. The kind of a product which we deliver is far, far more superior.
The name Linen Club doesn't permit in the salvage. They feel it's either a fake or it is not a genuine linen.
Once a customer walks into a store and sees the kind of a variety we have, prints, checks, and a lot of vibrant colors, pastel colors, which makes a customer come to us again and again.
We started with fabric, we are getting into apparels. So we have brought linen in a different avatar. All our flax fibers, 100% is imported from France and Belgium, which is an authorized linen. In fact, we are the certificate holder of the European flax.
We have, as a company, as a corporate, tried to invest in better and better technologies so that we can make better and better quality yarns, because the finished fabric is what really makes a difference to the consumer. Soon to have about 42,000 spindles and close to almost 10 million meters of fabric. We are one of the largest players of linen in the country, with anywhere from 55 to 60% market share.
It is always better to have the origin player as a consultant for us. That way we get an Italian designer. We have all our Indian designers from NIFT, NID, who actually customize those inputs from the Italian without sacrificing the linen properties, but with an Indian taste so that it appeals to the Indian public.
We've just now invested in a state-of-art studio center in our factory in Risha, because we want to bring in designers, we want to bring in our foreign customers and clientele, we want to bring in our dealer network in India and excite them with the slew of products that we are offering in linen today.
The journey doesn't stop to produce the best fabric. we produce the best designs, we do the best work. It should reach the public. It should be available to the consumers when they want it. In fact, we have ensured that we have a retail identity for our own Linen Club store.
With almost 130 exclusive brand outlets and more than 4,000 multi-brand outlets, we are also working on an expansion strategy to take linen to more and more cities and expose linen to as many people as we can.
When you join Jayashree Textiles Linen Club as a franchise, you are partnering the biggest group, one of the biggest groups in the world, Aditya Birla Group. And it's not only gives you returns for the money you invest, but it gives you a pride in the society.
The biggest part which because I've been associated with Jayashree for a very long time, is the kind of a bond which we have as a family.
If there is any problem with the marketing team or sales team, everybody is helpful.
Anything that we need, right, they would provide the right guidance.
I think our journey over the last 3-4 years has been really a journey of discovering what the consumer wants. And I think our vision really is to be one of the leaders of linen fabrics in the world.
I am very positive of this product and we are bound to grow day by day.
People who have worn a linen, he will never wear any other product.
Market is increasing. There are more and more people getting aware of linen. This fabric is here to stay.
Where all Linen Club can reach, linen fabric can reach in the world, we will be the first to reach. God is not going to create any other fiber which will beat linen, because He has created the best.